Hi guys, guess what I have today? I have a new box. So we're going to have another unboxing. But first, before I unbox this, I'm going to give you a little bit of history. So if you don't want to know what it is, there's going to be a spoiler alert here. You best plug your ears or press pause until I open it, and then you can come back and listen to the history. This unit is an SD70ACe that used to belong to CSX. Now, CSX returned them to Progress Rail. Progress Rail then put PRLX on them and sent them out as leased units. And they went out to Norfolk Southern, and somebody tagged one of them as a C&O unit. And C&O is Chesapeake, Ohio. And they did a really nice job of doing it. And then they painted over that because there was some copyright issues and all kinds of stuff, legal stuff. Anyways, whoever tagged it, they did a nice job on it, and Athearn saw it and decided they were going to do it. And they announced it about this time last year, and it had just came out about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I ordered it, and here it is. So now we're going to open the box, see what we got. Popcorn. Lots of popcorn. Got that. And it's all stuck all over the place. It's going to make a mess. We'll get rid of that. So there's the box. And that's what the unit looks like. So let's see what it looks like inside after I get rid of all this crap. And Athearn have changed their boxes now. Instead of just saying Genesis, they say Athearn Genesis Premium Trains on the top. So we got all the warranty stuff and the stuff. And there's that part. And I'm just going to pause it here for a minute while I open the rest of it. Okay, I'm back. So I got the unit out of its packaging, and there it is. You can see the nice job they did on the C&O, and it's the same on the other side too as well, there, and on the front. And this has got DCC and sound, so I'll be running it a little later, and you can check back and you'll see it again sometime. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Like and subscribe, please. Thanks.